Kunle, for Debu, my love. Oh my God, this gown is pretty. So, you actually got it from Farah. Oh, this will fit me. Oh God, is that a Shira? Wow. My perfect colors. I love purples. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. This is quite expensive. $3,700. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think this is the plan. Afford. Thank you. Oh. Get yourself a good boyfriend, a rich one at that. My boyfriend is rich. And he's spoiling me. Oh, I can even use this on that. And see what I got. Mine. Oh God. This is pretty much.
I should call you. Thank you. I've seen everything. Anything for so nice.
Hello, babe. What? He just delivered them. They are pretty much. Thank you. I wasn't expecting all of this. Chile what about you? Oh, baby, you're my book. And I love you. Thank you. All right, dear. Thank you. Thanks. Hello, babes. What are you doing? Mommy breaking on shit. Really? Okay. Guess what? It's a surprise, guess. Oh, goodness guessing. Okay, I made your favorite, and in less than 10 minutes, I should be on my way. Aww. And after food, we go to the garden for a picnic. How about that? Oh, yeah. I'll see you. No, I'm not coming with nobody. It's me. No, no. Let's just go to a safe place for you and I. Kill. I'll see you. I'll see you. Okay. Ikaite. Mashi BFM. Orobìnrin dòrí ọmọ Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Okú náà ló kú Koyin. Oh. But wait. Pé táyé àwọn èèyàn bàjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. Ẹ kàn kí rí nǹkan tó dáa. Imagine you see two lovebirds on picnic and you are picking on one to tell another. Àwọn kò jí tí inú ẹni ó dùn tí ò ń jẹ́ tí ẹni ó di. Kí ẹ̀ máa nírú boyfriend mi Kúnlé pé it's not faithful. What more do you want for faithfulness? Mo rí ní time tó yẹ kí n rí. One more time to one be share. One more time to kúrò be share. We're together in his free times. What do you want? He knows my color. He knows what I want. He knows my taste. I mean, Ọlọ́run yọ mo kàn fi fọn woman yìí létí ni. Akọni ó bàjẹ́. Ìkà ò ṣe tiẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ta ni o mọ̀ pé wèrè ń wẹ́ ni kúnra ni. To think that is a single mother telling on my man. Ṣé mi ò mọ̀ pé ṣe ló ń wẹ́ ni kúnra kí wá dà bó ṣe dà ni. Ta ló mọ̀ kó tó lé wèrè kúrò ní ọkọ? You have trust issue for everything and anything. Ọjọ́ tó bá tún bá mi tún rádaràda wò. Mo máa fi ṣe pálaba ẹ̀sìn rádaràda òṣì. It's so annoying. Láǹṣẹ́ FM. FM ló jẹ́ pé every woman is his woman. And he O.T my darling. Babes. Ó tún máa pé àdùfẹ́ náà ní darling ni. Àwọn ọmọ àforí nọra wọn. FM náà nice náà. Oh, nice. But òun ni ẹni ò wà faithful. But for Debu, Kúnlé afford. Desola nìkan ló mọ̀. What is Kúnlé up to? No, it can't even be true. Happy. Woman like Jay, it's so good to say woman is all you say. We are tell of truth one way. It can't even be. Kúnlé. Oh, I guess it's because of our outing. Kúnlé with some wonderful tricks. I think he's trying to prank me. But can it be true? Is it a prank? I don't even know what to think. But Nimi, I've got to find out for myself. He loves me, right? Òrìṣà jẹ́ ń gbé méjì obìnrin òde ni. Ọlọ́bẹ̀ mi ṣe rékèrè régélé ni.
Iṣẹ́ oríran wa làwa mọ̀ ń ṣe o. Òṣèré ni wá káyọ̀ tẹ̀gàn kúrò. Àgbàlẹ̀tù ọmọdé làwo. Ológùrò ń ṣeré nú oko. Gbogbo ẹ̀yà farabalẹ̀ ni o. Àwa ń ṣeré o tàbí ṣùgbọ́n kò yé. Kò ṣe gèlè o, èrò gèlè, ẹni roko.